everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So guys, today I'm back with my Born Pretty PR. Remember the 9D cat eye gels I swatched a little while ago? Well, I'm back to do a nice little quick set with them. I did measure them to my tips. I had to make them bigger because I have got tips on, because I just had a feeling that I'm going to want to put them on. So I'm just going to fully disclose this. When I put these nails on, they're going to look weird because they are on top of nails already, but you know, what can you do? So these two nails, guys, as you can see, I have put some top coat on there because I didn't have a polish that was going to leave these little glitters that I really wanted, or I just can't find one. But anyway, I used the top coat. So I'm going to be using the cat eyes on top of that, and that will just give some little specks, just giving that whole night, space, galaxy feel, because I really feel like that's where this set is going to lean towards. So I am going to speed it up a little bit, mute myself and just let you watch, because this part is just, I'm just going to be putting down the cat eyes and then I'm going to be magnetizing them and just bringing up all the beautiful colors from these amazing 9D cat eyes. How awesome are these cat eyes? They are so fun to work with. You don't have to do anything specific. You can just hold the magnet there and it will just show you an array of colors. I absolutely love these, and I did use a couple on each nail. So now I thought, what am I going to do? I thought about starbursts and stuff like that, but then I just thought, why not just give it all that space chick vibes? I don't know if there's even a name for it. More maybe grunge, I don't know. But I thought, use some 3D gel, and then I use some chrome. I know you can't see it very well, but I use like these like laser chromes. Now one of them is from Born Pretty, the one that you can see on the thumb. I did get that one from Born Pretty, but the others, I think they were from Yoyogi or something. But they're really just the perfect kind of chrome to use alongside cat eyes, I feel like, anyway. So that's what I did. And then you're going to see me put on these nails. And like I said, full disclaimer, it is about to look a little bit big, but not too bad, but obviously not like a perfect fit. So when I probably take these nails off, I'll probably just file them down, put them back on, and but I still love how they turned out. And what you can see now is just me literally using the sponge and trying to get rid of the excess chrome that basically would have touched the nail. So I find this technique actually quite good with chrome now. So I just get these makeup sponges and it's really good. I shouldn't have matted the nail. I wish I didn't mat the nail. I should just wipe the surface. But I think because I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do, that's the reason why I matted them. But all the same, they turned out looking beautiful. I cannot wait to show you. Here are how the nails are looking, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love how they turned out. So the little space charms, I actually did put some of the 9D cat eyes I used on them because they were black. So I just thought it was perfect. And you can actually see that cat eye moving there. And I thought that was really cool. I did top coat. And then I turned the light off just to show you. And you can actually see that chrome and literally still some of that cat eye coming through. That's the thumb. That's the chrome I got from Born Pretty. And yeah, guys, this is the set. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please feel free to use the discount codes on screen and save yourself some money. Bye, everyone.